Hello and welcome back to Element Mechanical, and in today's video we're going to be making some bitter. Right, we're going to add the malt extract. Tina's kind of mangled up the lid a wee bit. Not sure what we can do here with the lid because it's a bit mangled. And yes, I am watching the fingers. Do I give him a towel? So that's just using a bit of hot water to wash out the contents of the tin. And that's just about 1.5 litres. Tastes like Maltesers, that stuff. Tastes even better when it's made in the beer, I must admit. So you can see, and I'll show you in a second. The tin is about empty, so I'll let the wife dispose of all that shit. We'll just give this a stir together. I just need to add another 1/2 litre of water. I'm sorry if you can just hear me with the kettle there, it's boiling. Stirring that up there. $100 grams of that. And one for luck. Roughly know what 100 grams of that is anyway. Sorry about the noise, like I say, of the kettle. Not really a lot I can do about that. Hope we can see that. Nice consistency. This is a Cooper's English butter, so it tastes quite nice. We'll see. First time trying this one, so we want about 1/2 litre. Right, we found it. The sink is just sterilising equipment on it. I'm lucky up here that I can use the top water. The top water up here is really good. I notice a lot of other boys use bottled water from the shop. I'm really lucky in knowing where my water comes from. I know that there's not really a lot of chemicals in it. So, as I say, I'm really lucky that way. Even the Highlands of Scotland too, Our water's really clear. It's not soft or hard water. Don't tend to get a lot of lime scale or anything like that in our water either. So you can actually drink our water out the tap. It's got flavour to it. So that's another nice thing about living up here in the Highlands. That should be around about 20 litres there of cold water. I brought it up to, no actually, one more just to get it there. It's all about, from my point of view, it's all about getting the amount of water and sugar right for the strength. So we'll give it a good stir now. Then we'll take a temperature reading, and then we'll take a gravity reading. We'll take a gravity reading, but we'll take a temperature reading first, and that should be about, I believe, it's between 21 and 27, so it's pretty much the same as all the other ones. I'll go back to Celsius and not Fahrenheit, because I'm no use for Fahrenheit. So, what are we getting here? I'm going round and round. Seems to have stabilised at 26.6. And hold that, see if you can see it. So 26.6. So now I'll take a hydrometer reading from that. This is just the bin sanitizer. So we'll put that on the side, put that in there, pushing that on the side there. Take the that, and now I know K&D Scrapping, he asked me why I didn't drink the whole lot of it, but there isn't really much point because there's no alcohol in it at the moment. It's just pretty much sugar, malt, extract, the ingredients that I've put into it. So, right, so we have a start of 10:40, so I have to remember that, but I'm sure I'll remember it because I've got the video, you know, so that's one good thing about it. So chin chin, I'll just put that in there. I'll have a wee drink of that. I'll turn you around so you can see me. Yes, it's got the bitter taste to it already, so it's looking good. And just taking it out a mouthful of it, just till I see what it tastes like. I hope I put you back round so you can see it. Right, so just bear with me a second, I need to go and grab a pair of scissors. Right, so I'll give that a quick stir again once I've opened this. And that's what you get with the yeast. Around about 7 grams, I believe it is, I think. Yeah, 7 grams of yeast. I've still got some there on my spoon, so I'm going to stick that in there and try and get rid of it. Don't normally stir up my yeast, but well, not really a lot I can do about that, I'm afraid, now. And just in the top there is my lid, which has been soaking in sterilising solvent. No, it's not solvent. So that's this done there, and I'll bring this back in a couple of minutes, and I'll open one of my beers and it'll taste like. If I melt tomorrow, you know why. Very nice. Very, very nice.